my god, hey guys, so today I'm going to be opening the package Baldi got me. So I went to Canada, and then I went back to California and got this package Baldi got me. So I finally got it. Took like a day or so. If you watch my most recent video, you'd see that I was in Canada. So let's go open this package and see what he got me. Alright, let's grab in the bag. Black clothing? Let's see what kind of clothing it is. It's this pretty dress. I'll try everything on in the end. Next up. Oh, what is this? Butter? Ew, why would he pack me that? Let's open it and see. Maybe it's like a fidget. Oh my god, guys, it's actually like butter, but it's not actually butter. It's like a slow rising squishy. Okay guys, new camera angle. So we got the butter, obviously. It's so cool. But I don't know why the hell he packed me this. But I was opening a bit of more Shein packages and I got this black skirt and it's so cute. It got the layers. Once again, I'm going to try everything at the end for you guys. Next we have these arm warmers right here. Ooh, they're cute. Let's open it. Whoa, these arm warmers. They're really cool. They're skinny arm warmers and I see something. It looks like they have this little hand pocket to put them in. Great for winter, and it looks like a candy cane. Perfect theme and perfect clothing for winter. What could this be? Ew, did he just pack me his toast for breakfast? Let's see if it's really his toast from breakfast. Wait a minute. This is a squishy. It's not his toast. It's like a stress ball. Wow, this is really fun. Next thing, I don't know why the hell he packed me that. Alright, let's do this one. Ooh, this one's really cute. Alright, why the hell did he get me this? I don't know why he's getting me this. He still is really sorry for stealing my channel. I guess it's fine, but like, these arm warmers are actually so cute and they're really like warm. Oh my god, these are really good. These are really cute. Oh my god, adorable. Let's do the next package. Alright, let's do this one. Ooh. Is this the legendary strawberry squishy? Look at it squish. Oh my god. It's like the Oreo we've got in our previous opening package video. Oh my god. It's so squishy. Alright, so let's open the package. Alright, so let's now get the strawberry out. Ooh. Oh. And I'm oh my god. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. So glad I got this. There we go. Let's open a couple more things. I'm gonna open this. Is this like pants? Let's see. I think it's like pants. Knitted pants? Wait, it's this cute blue sweater. It's too big to show in the camera, but it is so cute, guys. I'll show you everything after. Okay, guys, next item. Ooh, flower print skirt. Oh my goodness! Look how adorable this is. This is a cute skirt that has these blue flower prints. However, the material is not the best. It's like this polyester, but let's still give it a try. We can always return it back to him. Anyways, I'll show you everything once again. So, next thing. Ooh, I think it's a sweater. It just feels like sweater vibes. Like it's like knitted and it's all sweatery. Ooh, ooh. Look how cute this gray sweater is for winter. Oh my goodness, guys, this is the best. Alright guys, let's open some more things. Jeans. Oh my god, jeans. It's jeans. Like, what else could it be? Looks like, see the jeans. Ooh, he knows I love jeans, but I can never find the right ones. This is really baggy, which is good. I'll try everything on at the end, which will be a lot to try on. But I like modeling to the camera and stuff. It's pretty cool. Alright, we got this cute little flower printed top. I think that I saw this one on Shein online. So far, I highly don't recommend this because really bad material feeling. I know Shein is not the best place to get your clothes from, but it's addicting because they have the coolest looking things. Also, the short is too short for me to show on camera. It's like literally a long bra or something. Oh my god. I regret getting this. Let's just dump it over here and pretend we never saw that. Alright, next thing. Duplicate of the skirt? We're not gonna open this, because why is it a duplicate? Alright, what the? I think it's like a green orby stressful. What the? God, this is packed, alright? Oh my god! This is like an Orby stress ball. I feel the Orbeez. Why does it replicate? Wait, is this an orange? Guys, it's an orange. Wait, what? Maybe you can't peel. Oh, you can peel them back. Wait, this is so sus. Ew, look how greasy it is. I do love that squeeze though. This is definitely worth it. And at the end, I'll be telling you what I recommend you getting from Shein and what I don't recommend you getting. This, I definitely highly recommend you getting. It's a nice Orby stress ball and there's nothing cheap about it. Just an ordinary stress ball. Alright, next item. We have only a couple more things. Alright. Totally forgot what this was. I think it's a skirt, I noticed. Oh, I know what this is. This might be a little too big on me. I got a 13, but I'm usually a 12. However, the length looks good. It might still fit, but just a different style. This, so far, the material is okay. It's not polyester. It's more like cotton and polyester. I'd say I recommend this top. It's pretty long if you get a bigger size. It has these things, which makes it a tighter top, which depends on what your parents rather you wear. But yeah. So now let's move on to the last item. Yep, last item. Oh my god, we're going through this so fast. What is this? So far this feels okay. Overall, I guess it's like 50 out of 100. I guess I recommend this. It's not the worst. I'd say, yeah. But now we're gonna review everything and I'll tell you what I recommend and what I don't recommend you getting. But I'll say that while I try it on. Oh my god, guys, it's a 13, but it actually looks so good. It's a nice tight top and I really love it. It suits me really good. And this is 13 is my perfect size, and it's not too short because obviously it's one size bigger, but I am so amazed with this material as well. I'm so happy I got this. Next item. Here are the jeans. I don't think they go the best with this shirt, but I like these jeans a lot. These are a size 12. They're perfect length, and the material is just like any ordinary jeans, but I definitely recommend these jeans and this top. Alright, these pants I think I got a little bit too big. They're not as tight and the crotch area is very low. I got a size 12, so I think I'm a size 11 on this one. But it is really cute and it looks, I might save it for when I'm older because okay, so like guys, you know like when you have a pair of clothing but you are nearly able to fit in it, so maybe like you need a couple months or years to fit in it, I'm gonna keep it. Highly don't recommend this skirt. It is really ugly. Why the heck did I get this? No clue. Don't recommend this skirt. We had a duplicate. Maybe it's smaller. Nope. Still, I really don't recommend this skirt. It's just like, there's something about it that's so bad. I don't know what it is, but let's move on to the next item. Here's the Shein fluffy skirt and the Shein sweater. I wouldn't recommend the skirt. I recommend the sweater. It's a nice Korean Y2K sweater, and it's really nice, and it's best if you get it the baggiest. Guys, I recommend the sweater, but I don't recommend the pants because they're just a little too big. But the sweater is nice knitted material. It's fluffy. It's not like cheap. So this is like the perfect sweater for winter. It's really nice. Highly recommend these arm warmers. They're nice and fuzzy, warm. They're like knit material. They're kind of short, but they're still cool. They're to my elbow right here, but I love them so much. Okay guys, we have these arm warmers that are really long, but they're really cute. I definitely recommend these. They're really nice material, and I think it can go good with a lot of stuff. I honestly don't know how to feel about this one. It is nice, just something, I don't know if I should keep it or not. Maybe I have to style my hair up to make it look good. Let me see. Still, I don't know. I don't know if I should keep it or not. It might just not be for me.